Punjab is widely known as the agricultural state in India. In 1960s, the Green Revolution took its roots here in Punjab, but with this, the consumption of groundwater also increased. Over the past 2 decades, the groundwater level in the state has been depleting at the rate of 25 to 30 centimeters annually. The ever declining level of groundwater is really a serious matter. Paddy is cultivated on an area of about 29,100,000 hectares in the state. According to an estimate, about 8,500,000 liters of water are utilized for irrigation in just 1 hectare. There has been a considerable increase in the area of irrigation. In 1980s, the count of tube wells was about 600,000, which has increased to 14,1900,000 in 2015. Most groundwater is utilized for irrigation, due to which the groundwater level is depleting very rapidly. Out of 143 blocks, 103 blocks has overexploited groundwater status. Overuse of chemicals and pesticides in agriculture leads to water pollution. There are several communities' water bodies found in silted conditions, hence unable to harvest rainwater and recharge groundwater levels. Danone Nutricia International Private Limited, in association with Manav Vikas Sansthan, has launched a project Divins at Sahibzada Ajit Singh Nagar in 2020 to address water security issues. Under this project, 6 villages were selected in Derabasi block of Mohali, and Farmer Field School consisting of 26 farmers each were created in 5 villages. Through this initiative, water smart practices like direct sowing of paddy, alternative wetting and drying, laser leveling, short duration varieties were promoted. The capacity building of the farmers was also carried out on irrigation practices to ensure the reduced water wastage in the paddy field. Apart from this, farmers also encouraged to adopt the weather smart farming practices and Amrut Pani Amrut Khad. To disseminate the knowledge, WhatsApp groups of farmers were created and regular weather updates are being provided so that the farmers can plan the irrigation schedule accordingly. Along with this, the panchayats and the villagers were made well aware and sanitized on the existing water conditions and upcoming challenges. It was done in order to collect and harvest the rainwater, and they were further urged to construct the new ponds in the vacant panchayat lands and to renovate the old ponds. After these awareness sessions, ponds construction work was initiated under Project Divins. The project supported to develop 6 community ponds with a total of water holding capacity of 48,524 cubic meters. During this monsoon season, all the ponds were filled with the rainwater, and this water is now further being utilized by the local farmers to irrigate their paddy field, due to which their dependence on groundwater has been greatly scaled down. As per the villagers' feedback, due to excessive rain for a short period of time, their crops used to get fully submerged, and later, due to the non-availability of water, many times the yield was getting reduced. Now, after rains, they collect water and use it for irrigation in their fields. These ponds will prove to be helpful in increasing the level of underground water in the coming days. The community-based governance has been established on maintenance and further sustenance of these ponds. The plants are being planted on the banks of these ponds to preserve the environment. The village residents, birds, and animals will be benefited from this. The project will help to address water security issues and motivate community members to replicate such types of projects on larger scale.